What's up everyone? It's Financial Geek here, and today we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube automation. Ever dreamed of making money on YouTube without ever hitting record? We're talking no camera, no awkward on-screen appearances, just pure profit. Sounds too good to be true? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. In this video, we're gonna break down the first 3 steps to launching your very own faceless YouTube channel. This is perfect for anyone, even if you're starting from scratch. We're talking about building a real sustainable income stream, all without ever showing your face. I'm talking about channels raking in over $10,000 a month, all without filming a single video. And guess what? You can do it too. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this cash flow going. Alright, let's break it down. Faceless YouTube automation is exactly what it sounds like. Running a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face or even using your own voice. How's that even possible, you might ask? Well, that's where the magic of the internet comes in. We're talking about harnessing the power of AI, stock footage, and the magic of freelance talent. Imagine this. You've got a channel pumping out engaging top 10 videos with incredible visuals, all narrated by a smooth professional voiceover. But guess what? It's not you. Think about those captivating channels sharing mind-blowing Reddit stories, or those motivational channels inspiring millions with powerful visuals and speeches. A lot of them are completely faceless, and they're absolutely crushing it. They're using AI tools like chatgpt to write scripts in a flash, then turning those scripts into captivating voiceovers with software like ElevenLabs or Murph AI. And the best part? These tools sound so real, you'd swear it was a real person talking. For visuals, they're using royalty-free stock footage from sites like Faceless and Pixabay, so no copyright strikes here. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can even hire freelance editors for dirt cheap on sites like Fiverr to put it all together. We're talking 10 to 20 bucks a video for high-quality work. So yeah, faceless YouTube automation is the real deal, and it's a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Now, before you jump into creating videos, you need to pick your lane, your niche. This is crucial, guys. Choosing the right niche can make or break your channel. We're looking for low competition and high demand. Think about it, if you're the only channel making videos about a specific topic that tons of people are searching for, you're going to be swimming in views. Some killer niches right now are things like mystery stories, AI tools, or even passive income ideas. These are topics people are always searching for, and the content stays relevant for a long time. That's what we call evergreen content, the gift that keeps on giving, generating views for months or even years to come. And remember, stay far, far away from copyrighted material. Using movie clips or popular music is a recipe for disaster. You'll get hit with copyright strikes faster than you can say fair use, and trust me, you don't want that. Now, how do you find these golden niches? Well, there are awesome tools out there like TubeBuddy and VidIQ that let you spy on your competition. You can see what's working for them, what keywords they're using, and how much money they're making. Knowledge is power, people, and these tools give you the edge you need to dominate your niche. So do your research, find a niche you're passionate about, and let's get this bread. Chapter 3, Step 2, Automate script writing and voiceovers. Alright, we've got our niche locked in. It's time to start pumping out that content. But hold on, we're not talking about spending hours writing scripts and even more hours recording voiceovers. Remember, this is about automation, working smarter, not harder. First up, script writing. Forget staring at a blank page for hours. ChatGPT is your new best friend. This AI tool is like having a team of expert writers at your fingertips. Just give it a topic and some keywords, and boom, it'll spit out an engaging, well-written script in minutes. Seriously, it's like magic. Next, we need to bring that script to life. Remember those human-like AI voiceovers I mentioned earlier? ElevenLabs and Murph AI are where it's at. These platforms offer a huge range of voices, from deep and authoritative to friendly and conversational. You can even choose different accents and speaking styles to match your brand perfectly. And the best part? The voiceovers sound incredibly natural. No one will ever suspect it's not a real person talking. Now for visuals, we're going royalty-free all the way. Faceless and Pixabay are treasure troves of high-quality stock footage that won't cost you a dime. They've got everything from stunning landscapes to cityscapes to people doing, well, pretty much everything. And if you're not feeling up to editing the videos yourself, no worries. Fiverr is your one-stop shop for affordable freelance editors. You can find skilled editors who will take your scripts, voiceovers, and footage and turn them into professional-looking videos for a steal. There you have it, folks. The first 3 steps to launching your very own Faceless YouTube channel. We've covered what Faceless YouTube automation is, how to find a profitable niche, and how to automate your script writing and voiceovers like a pro. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. In part 2, we'll dive deeper into the strategies you need to explode your channel's growth. I'm talking about getting 1,000 subscribers fast, unlocking monetization, and scaling your channel to that magical $10,000 per month mark. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out. I'm dropping a ton of valuable resources in the description below, including a free list of profitable niche ideas, the best AI tools for automation, and a step-by-step editing tutorial. So go check those out, and I'll see you in part 2. Now you know the first 3 steps to start a faceless YouTube channel. In part 2, I'll reveal how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, monetize, and scale to $10,000 per month. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.